How to change audio output on your Mac. So all I need to do is to click on Apple logo in left upper corner area and open System Settings. Next step is to go to Accessibility and we want to find Audio, which is here under the hearing area. And now scroll down and you can click on Sound Settings here. And here you'll find Output and Input. So make sure the output is selected. And here you can change the audio output. I only got MacBook Air speakers which are built in, and if you connect any speakers to your Mac with Bluetooth, etc., you can change it here and also change the output volume here. So there should be another option or name of your another speakers, and just simply click them and the audio output will be changed. So that's how you can do it. You can here also change the input if you want to, which is the microphone. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.